Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to redeem codes in Dragon Ball Legends. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to do so, you need to first of all open your Dragon Ball Legends on your mobile phone. So once you have simply launched the game, you will be able to be in this kind of interface. So once you are here, all you gotta do is simply access your player's profile. Now simply tap on the player avatar located on the top left hand side of the corner and navigate to the code redemption option. For this, you need to search for the option called redeem code, and once you have found this, you need to enter the code. Here you need to input a valid code into the text box provided and then press exchange or claim button to receive your awards. You need to ensure that codes you enter are active and have not expired. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.